before sikhuluma ngoparula ake sikhulume ngomndawo ongagezekile yabo. Lowo mndawo lowo mawuvela kulomuntu uvela in the same line and in the same method nento eyisilwane noma nento eyumdliwa. This is the reason why umuntu onesilwane, umuntu onomdliwa, umuntu onomndawo ongakaparulwa, ongakahlaliswa kahle, these guys fall under the same grouping because they experience the same problems. Yabo. Ngoba the nature of that spirit is sinjalo. So sometimes I've seen people bebekhipha ilwane, bebekhipha umdliwa, bebekhipha isipoko. Athi umuntu sengihambe siyangilala lesilwane siyafika ebusuku ngiyasibona I see different faces mangilele kodwa sengibuya ku so and so abale mhlamba yazi abantu babe u5 bathi bayasilahla lesilwane kodwa asilahleki. Kodwa masuthi uya deep because of ulandela umoya and sometimes because of experience uyabona ukuthi akusisona silwane. But it takes the same form and characteristics yalento yesilwane. So lento le idinga ukuthi lo muntu lo athola amagobongo afanele umndiki nomndawo because these two you cannot separate them. Cishe bahamba ndawonye. Sometimes uma uzomnika lento eyigobongo yomndiki nomndawo lo muntu uthola ukuthi uyaphila into zakhe seziyakhanya. This person does not need to go and parula. This person does not need to twasa. Yabo, uthola ukuthi iyaphila lento yakhe la kuye. It's not all the time, but sometimes ikhona into enjalo. And manje people fall into a trap yokuthi bacabanga ukuthi banomsebenzi wobungoma because the very same person ofike analenkinga edinga just igobongo lomndiki nomndawo bavele bemthathe ke manje sebemfaka kumnguni sebayamthwasisa sebenzana at the end of the day lo muntu uphuma akanawo umsebenzi because was not called ukuthi enze leyo nto le yena was just called for this portion ukuthi awuparule lo mndawo wakhe awulande abuye ahlale nawo la awuphakamise.